On the northwestern corner of Raj Bhavan, Kolkata, stands this historic building of St. John's Church on a sprawling piece of land donated by Maharaja Nanda Kishore Bahadur. The mausoleum of Job Charnock also forms a part of this huge church, the foundation stone of which was laid by Lord Warren Hastings on 6th April 1784. This premises is spread from the eastern bank of River Hooghly up to the historic Council House Street on further east, and it serves as an island of peace in the bustle of Dalhousie Square of the City of Joy. On the opposite side of this bishop's residence, across the Council House Street, stands the Mediation Centre of the Honourable High Court, Calcutta. The idea of this mediation centre was conceived in 2010 during the tenure of Honourable Mr. Justice Mohit Shantilal Shah as the Chief Justice of High Court, Calcutta. Since then, this has grown every day in all dimensions. Outside the building, you will find the messages of mediation everywhere, attracting the passerby. Let us have a virtual tour of the facilities available at the center. This is one of the office rooms of the center. Now I shall take you to the beautifully decorated conference hall, where you will find all required facilities like a self-sufficient sound and speaker system, automatic projector, video conferencing facility, LED screen, etc. On almost every wall of the center, you will find messages on mediation. There is also adequate purified drinking water facility for the visitors. On the left-hand side, you can now find the notice board where all sorts of relevant notices and cause lists of the cases are displayed. This is the reception area, where you have to register yourself once you step into the center. This is one of the aesthetically decorated waiting room of the center where litigants and their learned advocates patiently wait for their turn. Now, I shall take you to the soundproof mediation rooms of the center, which have been scientifically constructed, keeping in view the point of confidentiality of the parties. Even if 3 mediation sessions go on simultaneously, that will also abide by the rule of complete confidentiality. This is the second waiting room of the center, which is also used as the Honorable Judge's Lounge. And the mediation room number 1 has been befittingly designed and decorated for the mediation by the retired judges of this honorable court. Finally, this room is the brain of the mediation center, where the honorable committee members assemble to ponder over and plan future activities and projects on mediation in West Bengal and in Andaman and Nicobar Islands in order to take it to new heights.